Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Nextiva, a company that many people are curious about. Is it a phone provider, or is it something else? Before we get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about what a phone provider is. A phone provider is a company that provides telephone service to customers. This typically includes voice calls, text messages, and internet access. Now, let's talk about Nextiva. Nextiva is a cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of features, including phone service, video conferencing, and customer relationship management, CRM. So, is Nextiva a phone provider? The answer is yes and no. Nextiva as a phone provider. Nextiva does offer phone service, but it's not your traditional phone provider. Nextiva's phone service is delivered over the internet, which means that you don't need a traditional landline phone. Instead, you can use Nextiva's app or web portal to make and receive calls. Nextiva's phone service also offers a number of features that are not typically available with traditional phone providers. These features include the ability to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. The ability to set up multiple phone numbers, including toll-free numbers and local numbers. The ability to integrate your phone service with other business applications, such as CRM and email. Nextiva as a communications platform. In addition to phone service, Nextiva also offers a variety of other communication features, including video conferencing. Nextiva's video conferencing platform allows you to hold meetings with up to 250 participants. Chat. Nextiva's chat platform allows you to communicate with your team members and customers in real time. Email. Nextiva's email platform allows you to manage your email accounts and send and receive emails from anywhere in the world. CRM. Nextiva's CRM platform allows you to track your customer interactions and manage your sales pipeline. So, is Nextiva a good choice for you? The answer to this question depends on your individual needs. If you're looking for a traditional phone provider, then Nextiva is probably not the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive communication platform that offers a variety of features, then Nextiva may be a good option. Here are some of the pros and cons of Nextiva. Pros. Nextiva offers a variety of features, including phone service, video conferencing, and CRM. Nextiva is cloud-based, which means that you can access it from anywhere in the world. Nextiva is affordable, especially when compared to traditional phone providers. Nextiva offers excellent customer service. Cons. Nextiva's phone service is not available in all areas. Nextiva's customer service can be slow to respond at times. So, is Nextiva a phone provider? The answer is yes and no. Nextiva does offer phone service, but it's not your traditional phone provider. Nextiva is a cloud-based communication platform that offers a variety of features, including phone service, video conferencing, and CRM. Whether or not Nextiva is a good choice for you depends on your individual needs. If you're looking for a traditional phone provider, then Nextiva is probably not the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive communication platform that offers a variety of features, then Nextiva may be a good option. If you're interested in learning more about Nextiva, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.